Welcome to Tokyo, one of the world's most exciting, dynamic cities, always on the cutting edge, yet never far from ancient traditions. It's also my former home, and I'm proud to make it the first stop on the Cuisine and Culture of Japan tour, led by me, travel and food writer Andrew Bender, May 16th to 29th, 2019, from Esprit Travel, Japan tour specialists. Our tour begins here in the heart of Japan's capital, where we'll have market visits and cooking classes, and meals from Michelin Star Kaiseki banquets to soba noodles and casual Izakaya, Japanese pubs. All along the way, we'll experience what makes Tokyo famous, from contemporary arts and architecture to ancient spiritual traditions and textiles and crafts. From Tokyo, we head out to other foodie favorite destinations, like the immaculately preserved samurai and geisha city of Kanazawa, the ancient capital of Kyoto, and the bright lights and big city atmosphere of Osaka. So I hope you'll come join me on this small group adventure, May 16th to 29th, 2019. Visit esprittravel.com for more information.